guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'll be teaching you the French numbers up to 20. So I'll be teaching you up to 50 later. So I'm just gonna stick with 20 today. So I'm teaching the French numbers up to 20 because now I'm in grade 4. So I'm learning French. So I thought I could just teach the French numbers. Like, why not? So let's just get started. Okay? So 1 is in French. And it's spelled U-N. And 2 is de. This is how you spell it. D-E-U-X. But remember, in French, they don't pronounce how the words are spelt. They don't pronounce the words by how the words are spelt. So remember that. You can't say 2 is dukes. 2 is de. And 3 is trois. As you guys can see, as I told you also, it's spelled T-R-O-I-S. You might think it's supposed to be Troyes, but it's actually trois. So take note of that. And 4 is quatre, or it's cat. More correct. The most correct thing would be cat, as I would say cat. But it's not spelled C-A-T. And 5 is cinq. Cinq, it is spelled C-I-N-Q. And 6 is six. So, same as the English numbers, in French, 6 is spelled S-I-X, but it's pronounced differently. It's pronounced six. So 6 is six in French. Now 7 is gonna be easy to remember because 7 is pronounced by how it's spelled. So 7 is sept. Remember, it's the short form of September, sept. And 8 is not wheat, it's wheat. Wheat. And 9 is neuf. It's spelled N-E-U-F. And 10 is dix. And dix is spelled D-I and X. So D-I-X. Dix. And 11 is not ones, it's owns. And 12 is douze. So 11 is spelled O-N-Z-Z-E. And 12 is spelled D-O-U-Z-E. And 11 is pronounced owns, and 12 is pronounced douze. And 13 is tres, or trays. Well, no, it's actually tres. And tres is spelled T-R-E-I-Z-E. T-R-E-I-Z-E. 13, tres. And 14 is quatorze. Quatorze or quatorze. So 14 is spelled Q-U-A-T-O-R-Z-E. Quatorze or quatorze or quatorze. And 15 is cans. Cans. And 15 is actually spelled Q-U-I N-Z-E. Cans. Cans. It's actually cans. And 16 is says. So you would be like, Ken says. Like, no one wants to hear what Ken says. No one does. So says is 16. And it's spelled S-E-I-Z-E. And 17 in French is these sept. So as you remember, 10 is these. So they just took 17 and they just took these and added it to 17. And they added 7, which is sept, and they added it over here. And then it makes these sept. So which is 17. You get it? And 18 is these wheat. They took 8, put it over here, and took these, which is 10, and put it over here, like these sept, which is 17. And 19 is these nuff. So, as I told you, they took these and put it over here, and they took nuff and put it over here. But why did they put these? Because 10 is these. Well, I don't know. I think because French people think 1 is 10. So they didn't put on these. I mean on nuff. They took these nuff. So yeah, that's what I think. And 20 is vent. Like you vented in Among Us. Like vent. Like literal vent. But it's pronounced vent. I wish it was pronounced vent. Or I don't know, it might be pronounced vent. And vent is spelled V-I-N-G-T. And that's the end of the French numbers. You could take a picture of this. Or you could take the whole screen. So I'll just keep it like this for a second. Let you guys take a screenshot. Okay, time's up. You can't take a screenshot anymore. So that's all for today. So I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Peace and goodbye.